Rifiness Warjri, a 20-year-old mountaineer of the 61 Meghalaya NCC Girls Battalion from Shillong, was given a hero's welcome at the Umroi Airport after becoming the third woman from Meghalaya to scale Mount Everest. It may be mentioned that Rifiness Warjri reached the summit at around 4:45 a.m. on the 18th of May 2025 as part of a 38-member expedition. Notably, Rifiness Warjri was the only participant from the entire northeastern region in the 10-member NCC team. On her arrival, she was received with cheers by NCC Shillong group that included the commanding officer in charge of the 61 Meghalaya NCC Girls Battalion, Deepak Nambiar, fellow cadets, family members, friends and well-wishers. The young mountaineer was visibly emotional, expressing joy and gratitude at the warm reception. In her brief address at the airport, Rifiness Warjri credited her success to her parents, her teacher, Ms. Dolly, and the NCC, acknowledging their constant encouragement and support throughout her journey. She also had a message for the youth, urging upon them to believe in themselves, to trust in their abilities and willpower, and to move forward with determination toward their goals. Apart from mountaineering, Rifiness Warjri is a trained martial artist in wushu and kickboxing and has represented Meghalaya in various competitions. She began her journey into adventure during her school years at the Auxilium Convent Shillong, where her passion for mountaineering took shape. In 2024, she had also successfully scaled Mount Everest in Uttarakhand. Her achievement is being hailed across the region as a source of pride and inspiration for young people, especially women in the Northeast.
I can say to my parents, because the parents who are the one who give me support, who give me the love and all, that's all.
Okay, being one of the youngest girl, as we can say, what is your message to the youth, in particular women, after you choose this mountain, especially what is your message to them?
Okay, climbing Mount Everest at a young age from Meghalaya. Yes, I'm the youngest from Meghalaya, and it's really motivate me a lot. And by giving motivation, by giving something to the youth in my state itself, it's like it's something very great, you know. I mean, see yang support yang badan kalam bat hajing doi ha yang le shi bon
ko ba phidai dai wi kan thei baning kong ko ga jala ka jongi ba tun na jala jongi kum wi samna kan thei e ka message ka jong phi wala da phi mat sibun gi jinge bat philan bat ai net phang ga jinge ba phi mat ha ka te ga jinge kiu chutu lum bat ka e ka message ka jong phi
hoi ka jingkiu yu te ulum Everest ngalong yu phi ka long shisha ka ba e tamba nga khlam give up nga khlam randien ndai ka e ka jing pen kan ma yang ban ai man sim ru ka dei na phi baro hi kumne email pa ki baju ai man sim nga kanu ngalong excited por bang dang ya ngong lanu bang dep nang ni man da one pai ngan yo call siyeng ba ong bang I did it. That's the most mo ka ba happy for me nong happy moment te nga yaki samla baro ro nga kwa ban kuntu ba yak ek ek ba phile shanya hala di kham tam na marba na da phim shanya yala di phim te be ek ba kay ka man salong ngan ong UP gi kun samla baro ku mangaro ngadang mat hi gini gi yu te shisha kamlong ka basuk haka jing em jing nginget ba kamlong shisha ka basuk hendrai phimdei ban chulong kut no ha ke ga lada pisol thu ba ka ena phin kut no tang hang ta hendrai phin long positive yela dia sanya scam ho blai but kan ya hi kam tahi kum bangaro nga sanya scam ho blai but nga ya da ka jing sanya da ka jing ngai ba ka jing sanya ho ta dang an sala bang pendap te ya ka journey jong ke Everest ngan ong UP ba kadehi na NCC ka balayalam nado ba ngadang late school hapo auxilium convent ka idan imam jangi GCI imam Dolly hi maihi badan idan hata ka camp per bangadang syong tu idang yathu khana ngi sapang ka Everest ka jing ya lenti ka jong i tenang tu kin ngan sasdang ba Everest te hadian pan tu daladai hapo ki college ngan sasdang ban join dang na bentaki SW jong ka senior wings jong ka NCC tenang tu kin ngan sayo pat bangan experience bagi kadang ki selection process bagi ong bakan sada na bentak Everest 2025 dengan late kan ban le competition from state to Guwahati from Guwahati pang asya select Delhi from Delhi ngayo ban pre Everest ngan sayo late ter ki selection process te kumtahi kadiga